Hey guys, this is Chandler with Classic Air Services, and I'm sharing my heat in and heat out technique. I've seen if some guys have asked the question how to get something that's hardened on a carpet out. This particular carpet is a wool and viscose carpet, so you can't be too aggressive with it. Visco is a very easy fiber to break. So here I'm using steam with distilled water to soften up the hard substance. And this particular substance is, I think she said, it's hard to tell, but it was some butter that spilled over and hardened, which I've never really seen butter get that hard. But anyways, so I used the steam to soften it up and then extract it, rinse and extract. And then we also got to groom the viscose and wool rug correctly as well after it's done. So we clean the entire rug, but here I'm just working on that particular hardened substance that needs to come out of the rug. But this is the entire reason why she called. So we worked on that first. And here I'm touching it to find any hard areas that still need to be softened. And once I soften it, then I can extract it out. So thanks for watching the video. And you can take a look at what I do. Here, if you have any questions, you can reach me at 404-914-3103, or you can reach out on YouTube. But this is the heat in and heat out technique. Thanks for viewing.